before, after. Hey guys, it's day 2 working on this cherry burl for Chuck. I just wanted to get back in the shop real quick and start working on it again. So you watch me, I'm going to do the hollowing today and then the finishing, hopefully. I only got a couple hours, so we'll see what we can do. But all right, here we go. All right, so like I said, it's pretty dry and I didn't expect any change in it. It's completely round. Hasn't changed at all, so let's start hollowing it out. Okay, so we are going to turn it around, take the tenon off. Well, you saw what happened. But luckily enough, we didn't hurt it. That was my fault. I got that down too thin and it was too long. It broke right there, obviously. But we'll take a chisel, we'll just knock that off and then we'll get to sanding. Alright guys, I just wanted to go over a couple things before I started sanding. So from my experience, with the winged bowls like this, it's much easier to sand them off the lathe. Like I said, this is just how I've done it. I've done enough winged bowls to where I know how it works out. So anyway, you get them off the lathe, and then you'll sand these wings down with an orbital sander. And you'll get them nice and smooth. You'll go through all your grits on that. And then you'll take a 2-inch or 3-inch pad, sanding pad on your hand drill, and you'll do that. And you'll do around here. And another thing is all these little wormholes and the rot. Well, the rot I can get rid of, but these little wormholes, like here, I'll show you. So like these little wormholes here, you'll see it's got a bunch of stuff in them. My experience is it's best to sand it down first and then dig everything out of them, because if you don't, then you're just going to dig them out 6 times, because every time you sand, it's going to get stuck back in there. But I'm going to get rid of this rot before I sand it. It's so cool because, like in here, it was all rotten, but it's solid here, and it's almost completely solid there. I couldn't break that. So it's just cool how stuff works. Still holding on. All right, guys, we're all sanded up. All the bug holes are dug out. And this is a wicked pretty bowl. and we're about to sign it and put some finish on it, and you really see that grain pop. So I like to find the least figured spot on the bottom. And that is that. Get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, hardware stores. Put a ton of that on there. Let it sit 5-10 minutes. Let the wood soak it up. Let's watch that right here. Right, watch that. The bird's eye right there. Before. After. Alright guys, we are done with the first of 2 bowls for Chuck. Look at how cool that is. Tons of figure. Really like an explosion happened in there. So there you have it, guys. 1 cherry burl bowl for Chuck. Thank you, Chuck, for giving me the opportunity to make this. I'm glad it's going to someone who will appreciate it. We got that line pretty damn good. Anyway. All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one. And thank you for subscribing, watching, all that stuff. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best just for watching the video. It really helps me out, and it makes me feel good that you guys enjoy watching them. So, like I said in the last video, I'm gonna keep on doing this. We're just gonna do the daily thing, and we'll see how it goes. And you guys let me know. Throw a comment down there if you like it, if you don't like it, if you want me to go back how I was doing it before. And I just want some feedback. So let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you guys.